Previously on Agent Shoe.
Fuck you, right? That's assault. Peter, pull back to building 1, go!
Hey guys, these are Cutthroat.
Hi!
Hi. Mofo 01, nice to meet you.
How you doing, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's your team? Light him up! That was a big mistake! Motherfucker, you're mine. They're not bigger than building boys. You get hit. It's fine. No, I'm saying yeah, you know. Oh. Sorry. Yeah. Jesus, John. Good. You don't get it. Die. Alright, Peter. Switch rooms. Switch rooms. Go. My sir. Yes, those guys are orange. John, what are you doing?
Aren't you a medic?
I'm standing up.
You gotta wait for 2 minutes.
Any sign of them?
Yo, I just lit the fuck out of Chris.
I'm moving behind you.
Hey, Chris! Dude, get fucked, Yellow! How mad do you think they are that we kept killing them?
Is 2 minutes up? Whatever.
Hey, there's Bushman.
Yo, it's the Chewbacca. What up, dog? Yo, we still got a movement somewhere over the fuck that way. Where?
No, you're not.
I got one. They're dead, they're dead, they're dead!
Oh, okay.
No, they're not. We're taking fire. No, what John was shooting at. That guy right there, though, he wasn't dead a second ago. Oh, you're so fucking hit, bro. Don't even. They were getting ready to take this building, guys. Get ready to start point blanking some mofos. Guys, someone died.
Wait, you have to be outside, I'm sorry. Alright, go.
Guys are good, go.
You have to be outside. I can't revive you unless you're outside. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go!
Yay.
Josh, behind the white plywood structure. Hit.
Oh shit. Josh, get out here!
Peter!
Wait, no, I gotta wait my 2 minutes. Just wait.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Yeah, Peter, he's hit. Take his spot.
Take my spot. Careful.
I have like 2 more minutes and I'm dead.
I don't know where to shoot at. God damn it, and you can't tell me.
This way, there's one behind the white plywood structure, and they're moving up that way down the hill, where we were coming back from.
Alright.
Guys, get ready to start shooting them close. I'm taking out 3 of them.
One down.
I have 1 more minute left till I'm dead.
Shit.
Alright, or Peter, medic me. Come here.
Yeah, get him out.
Okay. Out more? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm in?
Yep.
Peter!
Alright, move.
Peter, medic John, he's got like 20 seconds.
Alright, we need to lay down with fire, guys.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Watch the blah, 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 guys.
We're really pinned here.
Come get some, Yellow! That's an RP.
Reloading!
Alright, I'm gonna pop up.
One just little.
It scared the living shit out of me.
What they do, yeah. I see him.
We're taking fire.
Yeah. Hey, kid, you just stay right there.
Peekaboo, I see you!
Hey, guys, you got your kill cards on you?
You guys have your kill cards?
Cover me, I'm going to get them.
Yeah, go get it.
Get them out for me.
Yo, start getting their kill cards.
Reloading.
Whoa!
Are you hit?
Something cracked. Something cracked on my gun. I felt it. Oh, mother F.
You're about to get.
They broke the clamp to my freaking battery. Damn it.
Guys,
Josh, stay down.
you know, you can't let them spark and suppress us. You gotta shoot back, you know.
You're not shooting anything.
They don't like me very much.
I can tell
I
why.
don't like any of us very much. Oh, another saw gunner. We can make this fun. Hey, buddy, come here. I'll show you the sweet spot. 1, 2, 3. Right there, now, white building.
Wait from the pop-up, wait from the pop-up.
Yo, we got yellow coming down the hillside. Oh, contact 1 o'clock. Yep. Watch your head if you're taking heat.
Stay down.
Alright, I'm home. Taking fire. I see where he
Find
is.
the big rock.
Oh, big rock.
We're on the rock.
Reloading.
Head down, head down, head down.
I got hit in the shoulder. You got medic? Crouch down, you got
Yeah, we got 3 medics.
Just crouch down and wait.
Josh, ready?
Is he hit?
Yeah, he deserves to get hit.
Nope, he popped out.
Motherfucker, you are dead.
Dude,
Come on.
No, dude. No. Bad.
Josh,
You don't yell that. You just keep shooting them. You don't yell at them. What's up, Brandon?
Alright, ready?
Go, go, go.
you were so hit. Come on, kid.
We have reinforcements in our building.
Dude, the kid with the booty hat, I just lit his head up and he's not saying nothing.
Where is he?
He's in the little white plywood building.
Call your hit, booty hat.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I shot him too.
The big building right in front of us?
No, that white little thing.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, there's a dude
You
behind
guys
him.
are taking.
He's completely pinned down. As soon as he pops up, I'm just going to shoot at him again. Oh, is he calling a red rag out?
Yeah, I just saw a red rag.
You gonna walk out? I'll shoot you again.
Whoa!
Whoa, just saw some BBs. Probably coming from behind that big rock.
Behind there. I'm taking the...
Brandon, I need that red speed loader.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm on my last mag. Can somebody pull mine while they're sitting there reloading?
Got a high cap for you.
Here.
Oh, okay. Throw me here. I can play that game.
Thank you. On the right. Hey!
Peter, I need you to get me.
Somebody medic me so I can get my saw back up and fuck these guys.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Josh, where are they?
Out by the barrels now.
Good. No.
Yeah, everybody. Hey, give me my saw. Hey,
Josh, give it back. I need it.
hold on. Take it back. Guys, we're gonna get overrun.
No, we're not. We're holding this shit.
We're moving up. Start consolidating the stuff in the pack in case we need to run.
Yeah! Get some! I just fucked the whole barrel squad. Holy shit.
Alright, I need to fill this one up.
Run up, John.
I'm gonna need those tags in 5 minutes. No, they're coming up the hill. They're coming up the hill. No, they're pushing up.
Come on.
Get some! Guys, there's a shit ton of them about to respawn. Guys, there's at least fucking 10. Ah, hit.
Stay down. I'll revive you.
I'm moving back on my right, Peter. Get on this window with me, please.
Where?
You have to be careful. He's the only medic left.
Josh is hit. Somebody drag him. Peter, what are you doing right now?
No, I can't. Fucking get in the windows, both of you.
I'm in this window right now, but
I'm the only medic alive.
Well, we don't have anyone else shooting. We won't have anyone alive. We don't have anyone.
we're fully surrounded. We're gonna lose this fucking building.
Peter, ready?
No, we can't pull out. We don't have the resources. We hold here.
We need to keep shooting, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Into the window. John.
Alright, Josh.
Who do you want? Go, John, in window. Take the window.
Take the fucking window. Get your foot out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Make sure we have everything in that backpack.
Hey, Yellow! Come get some! Left side! In the street! In the street!
Tango's down.
Holy shit!
Fuck him up.
They just ran into the street, Josh.
I saw him. I fucked him up. Low on ammo.
I'm running on battery.
Last mag. I need someone to reload for me.
Josh, take my mag.
Are they hide caps or mid caps?
Mid caps.
I can do that.
No, I got it. Take that. Peter, take that murder hole.
All right.
Oh, you're so hit. Are you serious?
I can't see shit through there.
Peter, take my spot.
I'm taking heat.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Here they come.
In the street! Keep holding that, Josh.
Yeah, we're gonna lose. Guys, we're falling back to the next building.
Grab the shit, Josh.
Where's the next building?
Right there.
All right, well, John, you're holding on to that for me.
Get it. Ah, hit.
Fuck.
Hit! Good hit.
Dead. We're all dead. We're all dead.
We're all dead.
Building.
Clear! We're all clear!
Yeah, I just told you that.
He's not gonna take our word for it. Here, we give it dead egg.
Wait, Cutthroat? I thought you were on orange.
They just switched us over because orange is doing too good.
Ah, bastards.
Fuck.
That's bullshit. It's fine. Yeah, likewise.
Bastards. I wanted you on our side.
This is 0-1. The building is clear.
Yeah,
The building is clear. Get in here.
Fuck that.
Well, that fucking failed. No, we held out for a while. Just the four of us.
We held out for a while. I'm happy.
Mofo 01, why?
Sorry, guys. We're trying to get the rest of our team. We got 6 guys that came late. We're trying to get them on our team. I can't believe they switched him after we were already outnumbered to begin with.
Mofo, what are you going to title your video?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to title. What? Haven't decided. No, just the title should be "Had to be done."
Cyber Squad, I suggest this. We all go there and knock down the door.